Get ready to pause the screen so you can see what number we are in Hormozi's top 100. You're not going to believe it. Yes, 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 yes. That's right. We are number 5. We are in the top 10. We are number 5. We've only been doing this for like 10 or 11 days. You all are amazing. If you haven't signed up yet, go to the link in the description right now before you do anything else. Sign up. It takes about 30 seconds. You're signing up to Alex Hormozi's live book event. It's free. You'll sign up, I'll get a point, and we'll go higher and higher. And most importantly, now in this home stretch, we will keep our position in the top 10. That is the main goal. So I have something really, really special for you that I want you to check out. I am thrilled to announce this. Okay, check out your screen. If you're not looking at the screen, check it out. And again, you might want to pause it so you can take a look. If you have already signed up to this link and you have your bonus page, you know what I'm talking about. You get this page sent to you a few hours after you sign up. This is that same page. In fact, you can see this, but I have added a brand new contest within a contest. So you get to win a day with me in September 2025 if you do this. So what we're going to do is the top 10 people. So pay attention because everybody has a chance to win, okay? The top 10 people who use my affiliate link, which again is linked below this video on YouTube, who use my affiliate link to sign people up to Hormozi's free event. And then therefore those people get the bonuses that you're enjoying as well. Does it make sense? Everybody gets the bonuses. The top 10 people who do that, let's say you bring 10 people, 20 people, 30 people in. I don't know what number it's going to be, but the top 10 people who do that out of the more than 1,000 people who are signed up will win a day with me in Los Angeles. Now, travel and accommodation are not included, just like with Hormozi, but you can come spend a day with me that normally costs thousands of dollars, and it's going to be amazing. We're going to talk about YouTube, school, and money models. This is a surprise I've been holding back for a few days because I really wanted to go all in this last week, and this is how we do it. So what's cool about it, I said everybody has a chance, right? So top 10, that's a lot of people. That's a lot of wiggle room. I know myself, right? But I'm also going to have a drawing for 2 more spots from anyone who has signed up. Anybody who has signed up using my link will be also in the running to just randomly get chosen and come hang with us. If you're not able to come to Los Angeles and you win, then there is an alternative that is virtual. It's not the exact same thing, but there is a winning that you can have. So you'll learn all about that. I'll tell you the steps really quickly. So you're going to send this link, and the way that you get this information and really sign up, because you see this is blurred out, is that you sign up for Hormozi's event using my link, and then look out for an email from me. Sometimes it's stuck in your promotions tab if you have Gmail, but look out for an email from me where I link you to this page, okay? Then once you're there, you're going to send this link. That's my affiliate link. You're going to send that out. So you may send it to some friends who you know would really benefit from the bonuses and from the book itself. You might send it to a small email list that you have. Send it to people who you know who would benefit from it. Don't do anything crazy. You don't have to do anything like spam people or do cold outreach. I don't want that. I really want people who you think would benefit from it. So you go out to them, have them sign up. It takes like 30 seconds. When they sign up, though, have them email you or DM you or however you want to be communicated with to say, I signed up and this is my name. Then you're going to just put that name in the quick form that I have, and you're going to put your name and their name and say, hey, I signed this person up. So you can actually do this once every person, or you can do this when you have a group of people. You can do it kind of unlimited as long as you're bringing in people. And then I'm going to use AI to confirm accuracy and duplicates, meaning if you put an email, a name of somebody in to the form, but I don't see them on my side as having signed up, then it won't count. So you want to make sure everything is accurate. And then I'll update this page, this private page. I'll update it with the leaderboard so that everybody knows where they stand. So everybody will see the top 10 and they'll know, oh, okay, that's who my competition is. How does that sound? Is that cool? Let me know in the comments right now if that sounds cool. If you're watching this video on this page, actually, let me know by doing this, by winning. Now, I also wanted to show you if you're not familiar, I want to show you the bonuses that you get so far. We even unlock more bonuses. So like we're top 5 right now, which means we are winning all the top 10 in Hormozi's contest. I'm bringing it back to the main contest. If we were to end today, we would win. I would win this, right? But it's going to get so competitive. Look at these numbers. Look at the top dude, 9,000 signups. So it's going to get really crazy these last 7 or 8 days. I don't know how many days that is. It's going to get really crazy. So we're trying to maintain our standing in the top 10. I think we need 2, 3, 4,000 signups, if I'm being honest. I think we do in order to be head above water in the top 10. But we won't know that number until we get to the end. What could happen is that all the big dogs, all the sleeping giants, as they say, come out in that last 72 hours. And they weren't even on the board because they didn't want to give away their cards. And then they go crazy. So we can keep up. I believe in us. We can keep up. And if everybody who has signed up, everybody who's seeing this brings in 2, 3, 4 people, that starts to really add up into the thousands. I know we can do it. So let me show you some of the bonuses. And you're getting like Hormozi stuff, which is cool. And then you might have just seen him. He was on Stephen Bartlett yesterday, and that's kind of blowing up. But you're going to get my bonuses too. So right now there are 10. When we win, because I don't say if, when we win, you unlock 5 more bonuses. It's insane. Okay, so right now, just for signing up for 30 seconds, you get a $20 credit to my prompt shop. And actually you get $120 because that's another one lower to spend inside my AI prompt shop. And if you don't know what that is, believe me, it is worth its weight in gold on its own. You also get an audio book and ebook version of my latest book. Let me see if I have it here. My latest book, Arlan's Revenue Playbook. You get the ebook version and the audiobook version of this that you can download and get right into all of the ideas about making more money, generating more revenue. It's all there for you. I mean, this is like an embarrassment of riches. Like there's so much, but you don't have to consume it all at once. You just get it. Then you get my free, it's not a free, it's a memberships revenue course that normally costs money on my Stand store. You're getting that for free. And we're still going. You also get my school games notes, which are, I think it's like 16 pages taken from the top school hosts from Q1 of this year, meaning they made the most money on school. So they have all of this information. I took notes the entire time. It was like a 3-hour presentation. I was there live. I was a guest of the owner of school. And I took notes and I created this document, and you're going to absolutely love it if you're working on school. If you're with me on my your first 5K, if you're doing a free trial, if you're on my 5-day 5-day challenge to 5K a month, this is gold. Number 3 and number 4 are for you. Okay, if you're not, the link is below to join that as well. There's so much stuff happening this week. You also get 50% off my Stand store, my courses, my one-on-ones, and my VIP days. It's just, I can't even, you got to see it to believe it. So like I said, you get another $100 credit in the prompt shop. You get List Builder Pro for lifetime access. So you can add 1,000 email addresses to your email list in 90 days with my training. You get a custom GPT that's worth $5,000 or more. That is the $100 million money models blueprint. So that's the book we're all doing this contest about. This is Hormozi's book that you're going to learn about on August 16th at the event, at the virtual event you're signing up for. I created a custom GPT and trained it on his money models and on my money models. So you get the best of both of us, and then it's very customized for your current circumstances. You have to check it out. Number 9, you get an exclusive replay of your first million live 2024. It was amazing. We had 2,000 people in the building. We were at the Peacock Theater where the Emmys are held and the BET Awards are held. That was us for the week. And you get the replay, 30 videos, 4K, beautiful videos with all kinds of information. You get that. And then you get a chance to speak on stage at your first Million Live 2026, which is April 8th and 9th. What? You get to do that. If you haven't heard yet, we're coming back. We're going to be in Beverly Hills in Los Angeles area, April 8th and 9th. And you, as a person who signed up for 30 seconds of your time, actually get to apply to speak. You get a chance. Someone's going to win that 15-minute spot. So it's awesome. People are already signing up. There are like dozens and dozens of people who have signed up already because they saw that. And it's going to be amazing. So imagine being in front of 2,000 people. Either I'm interviewing you, which is, I'll do that if you want, or you can talk directly to the people and we can get you prepped. I'll help you get prepped for it. It won't just send you out there. It's going to be amazing. So all of that plus 5 more get unlocked when we win in a few days. And then, I love this. And then we're doing this crazy sprint. Let me know in the comments if you are down for this. If you're going to try this sprint, going to try to come meet me, hang with me for a full day, just a few weeks from now. Put it in the comments. Also write the word sprint if you are still with me. If you have watched this entire video, you're hyped, and you're ready to go. Even if you don't come here in person to Los Angeles, maybe you live far away, maybe it's too expensive, maybe you have things to do, you will still win something extremely valuable with me that you will get virtually. So I want you to go for it, and you get bragging rights. Your name will be in lights. You'll get bragging rights. We'll take care of you. Okay? Everybody, good luck with this. I know you can do it. Thank you so much for helping me win this. I am so competitive. It's not even funny. And we're going to win. Let's go.